Hi friends, welcome to Tableau Tutor channel. In this video, we will learn how to create funnel chart in Tableau. There are different ways you can create a funnel chart, but today in this video, we will learn how to create using measure names and measure values. We are going to create a visualization to show how many customers have viewed the product and how many customers clicked on product and number of customers added their product to the cart and finally number of customers purchased the product. Drag dimension field to the rows and then create new calculated field to find the number of customers. I'm going to name the calculation as has of customers. So as you know, count of distinct will return the number of customers, count of the customer name. Duplicate the same calculated field and add minus so that you will get the other side of the funnel and then click OK. Now drag measure values to the column and then remove the number of records from the measure values. We need only hash of customers and minus hash of customers fields. So go to the sort button and click on the sort. To sort on the decide measure, right click on the dimension field and click on the sort button. From the sort by drop down, select field and choose the sort order descending and select hash of customers field. Now go to the marks and select line as a mark type and select entire view. If you see, we have created the outliers of the funnel chart. Now duplicate the measure values field by selecting the control and change the mark values to line and drag measure names to the path. Now right click on the measure values and select dual axis. So that's it, we have created the funnel chart. Drag action field onto the color. Select measure values 2 and drag action field to the color again. I'm going to do some formatting steps. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel.